Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a tips and tricks video if you want to turn on or off the autocorrect feature in Windows 10. That feature is a nice feature. It uses some form of artificial intelligence that's embedded within Windows 10 to basically autocorrect any words you might be mistyping. Sometimes, you write a word and you think it's written in a certain way. And this is nice because it will autocorrect it for you. But there are instances where the autocorrect feature is not welcome. Sometimes it might be that you're typing something and the autocorrect feature tries to correct some of the words that it might not know into something else. Or even worse, if you're like me and write more than one language on your PC, one of the biggest problems with the autocorrect feature is that sometimes it will try to correct words in a different language than the one that you're typing, and it gets really messy. On the other way, maybe you want to have autocorrect. Maybe you deem that you misspell words all the time and want to have some form of help in the form of an autocorrect. And autocorrect, when it's done right, of course, also sometimes fixes words that you might not even notice you misspelled. So how to turn it on or turn it off, depending on what you want to do. Simply go into your Start menu on the bottom left, click the Start button. You have the Settings icon, click on that. You go into Devices. On the left side, you will see Typing in the panel. And here, the first slider at the top, Autocorrect misspelled words. So you can just turn it on or off, depending what you want to do, and it will follow that setting. It autocorrects within several places, including if you're writing an email in the browser, for example. It will actually work. So, it could be useful in certain cases, maybe not in others, depending on if you like it or it annoys you. Well, that's where you need to go to simply turn it on or off. I turn it off because I often write French, and it kind of doesn't understand it, and it tries to, autocorrect in English certain French words, which I don't want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.